In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how to create a Fiverr affiliate account, but it is very important that you do watch this video and follow along step by step to make it work, just so you know. So the first step is going to be for us to go into Google and then search for Fiverr affiliate right here, as you can see. So search for Fiverr affiliate, because then you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see. Now just scroll down and find this one right here, Fiverr affiliates, as you can see, and just click on it right here, because then you should be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So now on this page is like right here, you are able to view the official affiliate program for Fiverr. As you can see, their official Fiverr affiliates site. So to be able to register or create an account on Fiverr affiliates, you need to click right here where it says start earning now. So click right here, because then you should be taken to this page, as you can see, which is perfect. So now sign up. So as you can see, they do actually require some type of like you can see personal details from you: first name, your last name, your email address, what kind of username that you're going to have for your Fiverr affiliate account, of course, and also a password for your Fiverr affiliate account. And then right here, account type. Is it going to be a private account, or are you going to actually use your company basically for this account? As you can see, most of you are going to probably use your private account for this one, but if you have a company, then of course it's very important that you do choose this one instead. But I'm just going to take private just for now. Do we have a main source of traffic? This is very important also. If you take yes, for example, now they're going to ask you what's your main source of traffic. For example, it could be a website, an Instagram account, a YouTube account, or any kind of other social media accounts out there that you use to actually drive traffic to this affiliate program, or that you're going to use to drive traffic to this affiliate program. And you need to paste your URL. For example, if it's your Instagram account, just paste your Instagram URL in here, include your username in that URL, of course. I think you get it. So basically just paste it in here. If you have any other URLs that you want to paste, maybe you have your Instagram account, your TikTok, or maybe a website, you can always paste that as well. It will give you more chances of getting accepted into the program basically. Now select your country in here. As you can see, it's very important that you select the correct country. Now choose the language also that you speak, or that you want to have this affiliate account in, basically, as your Skype name as well. I think it's because they probably would want you to jump on a call with them on Skype. Maybe it's not something that is guaranteed, but maybe they need more information from you. That's why they include this one right here, and then just click on next. And hopefully after that, if everything is okay, then you're able to create a Fiverr affiliate account. So let me know in the comments below, maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also, I wish you the best day.